And we are live. Wow, the quality is so much better on this software. OBS for the win. Oh, what a day, guys. What a day. My PNL so far. I got my payout from trade day. Super easy. Super actually easy. I mean, I got paid on day number 1. I just got paid today. Now I'm gonna maybe scalp it more and try to get another payout. I don't know. Obviously, it counts against your drawdown, but it's whatever. It's free money. How you guys doing? How's everyone doing in the chat? Green? Did you guys Nah, I'm not gonna promote them. It's fine. I'm not a huge fan yet. Just because of the one account and then 5K is the max you can make, and Bowie, no, I'm actually not up that much. I don't know, the PNL is not calculated properly. I left Rhythmic open from last night, and yeah, it's not calculating properly. I don't know why it does that sometimes, but still a good day. So this is why I don't stream at the open. I don't stream at the open because of I'm super focused and I'm trading a lot. So yeah, you guys could see kind of all my trades here and all 15 ticks so far. And now I'm probably gonna move on to 6 ticks as things are slowing down. But yeah. I guess I'm gonna go long here because it does not want to go down. It's like 15 tick targets are definitely a little bit more tougher to get, but still works. Dun, 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 dun. Easy trading, nice job. How did you guys do on CPI? I traded CPI with a couple evals. I don't know how it happened, but it was 2 good results. Not on Apex, another prop, but I barely got any sleep though. So it's gonna be a short stream. I'm gonna need to take a nap. It's my girlfriend's birthday today, so going out to eat and stuff. And I still gotta get her some things and flowers, pick up flowers and all that crap, you know. But so everyone's asking about the stop situation. I don't use hard stops. I'm always risking more. I'm willing to risk a lot more than I'm making. So no, she's not. She doesn't even know I stream. That's not something I actually. There's only like 2 people in my personal life that know about my YouTube and stuff. I try not to share that stuff because the last thing I need is my friends asking me, "Oh, can you teach me? Can you teach me?" or people knowing my business, you know. Yeah, so see what's the market doing here. Is it going to reverse? Let's see, like if I went for a bigger target, now that's a loss. Or at least, you know, a trouble trade. And it's like people really undervalue scalping, in my opinion. Yeah, jealousy and just not worth it. Eventually, I'll tell her because it does take up a lot of my time, and then sometimes I don't respond to her text or whatever, and you know, she's wondering what I'm doing because I didn't do that. Yes, I do scalping only on futures. On stocks, I don't scalp. On stocks, I hold. So, I don't know. It's not. I'm not up this much. I wish I was, but 1300. But I'm not up. It's the stocks halted, so I'm probably up like $500, $600 in a day, but this I'm holding much longer. So, oh, this stock's got a lot of room to go down. So that's awesome. Hopefully it's looking to open a lot lower, $6.57. It's gonna open at 1024. So hopefully I don't forget to take a look at it. Yeah, stocks is a personal account. I have 38 grand in it. I just took out money last week. So in stocks, even though I risk a lot in stocks, it's a little bit different. In futures, I look at these prop firms as an opportunity to risk a lot by, you know, taking bigger trades or scalping. More of a risky but more consistent strategy and not risking money because I've been getting payouts, I've been profitable. I could blow accounts and still be profitable, so I'm not too worried about it. And if you watch my streams, if you watch my videos, I'm pretty consistent. Usually I'll get bored, I'll get in trouble by a stupid trade or something like that, and that's when things don't go well. But if I'm focused, if I'm trading right, things really just work out. And also market conditions. Market conditions make a big difference in how my strategy is doing. Sometimes it's so volatile that there's no pullbacks, there's no candle over candle formations, as in you see like this consolidation here. This allows me to go long and short and work out of the trade. All of these candles here for the most part have some kind of overlap, so there's no price that just goes straight up and straight down. Those are the most like difficult trades for me because I can't work out of a trade if I'm on the wrong side of it. So trending days I hate, but my PNL for the day is nice. So I'm gonna try to pull up the PNL for the day on here just so we could see it. All right, that's the PNL. On my Apex account. So I am now at I thought I passed one yesterday, but I guess it's not on day number 10. I'm gonna check how many, I mean day 7. I'm gonna check what day I was on that account that I passed. Okay, so today's day number 6. Oh no, that's not it. Okay, today is day number 7. So tomorrow I'll have the 12th PA account. And hopefully today I'll pass a couple more. I'm close to passing a couple more here, so hopefully that all happens. And yeah, taking my time with everything for sure. Easy trading. So for me, it's a little bit different. I'm trying to entertain. I'm trying to do a YouTube channel, so I have to trade. Plus, I trade so many accounts that there's no way I could just trade the open because I will never copy trade that many accounts. So I'm just here to kind of entertain and, you know, and trade. And I love scalping, and scalping allows you to trade all day. It's not because I'm sitting around, it's because I'll be chatting and then I forget about, let me pull up this if it opened. This didn't open yet. I would love to have $1,000 day on stocks. But basically what I'm saying is that I'll be talking, I'll be distracted, I miss a trade, and then I react to one single candle. I see a big candle and I go short or long and then just get trapped. But part of being a YouTuber, you got to trade, right? Did you buy the open? Yes, I went long at the open. I got my scalp. It wasn't as simple as usual. It took me a while to get filled at the open today. Can you connect Apex and Topset in one platform? Yes, you can. You just got to pay $25 a month for Quant Tower. I am copy trading into Top Step as well. Trade day, yeah, I just got the payout like 10 minutes ago. Small one, but it pays for the account. And the money's out of the account already, so I could kind of just trade it now, a little bit more risky and see. Like, I wonder if they would pay out for scalping. I don't know how that works. It's only a 25K account too, so the drawdown now is a lot less. I have 1340 drawdown left. You actually changed my way of trading. Well, I hope that's a positive thing, but again, I'm here just to show you guys how I trade. I'm not here to teach anyone how to trade, and realize that this type of trading is very, very risky. And to make it consistent, you're willing to put yourself in sour situations where you're gonna have to work out of a trade that's not working and not just give up on the trade. I mean, you could obviously adopt your different styles, but for me, the reason why it's so consistent is because I'm willing to take the risk of, you know, working through a trade that's not really working out from the beginning. And you guys seen a few examples of that in the last few streams. It happens 0 to 1 time a day, maybe twice a day if anything, but if I average down on those trades, I would blow up the account. So the way I approach it is a little bit different. I don't just average down. I'm just trading basically new trades after I get into a position. So let's say I went long now and the price pulled back. I'll be buying the dips and getting out for 15 ticks from the second buy, not at my average price. I'll be getting out for a loss, but it's still 15 ticks of profit on that contract, right? And then that lowers my average by 15 ticks. The prop firms don't see that as averaging down because you actually took a loss. You know how it calculates in your P&L, it calculates it as a loss. You stopped out and now you're in a new position. It's just a few things that I do differently than most people. Trade day. Now I got a payout with them doesn't mean much. I mean, I got payouts with a lot of prop firms, but they're a little bit more expensive. So don't do it if you can't pass Apex or get a payout with Apex. I don't know if trade day is an option for you, a good option, I should say. It's just a lot more expensive. What do you do? What do you do? You give out the account. What does that mean? Oh, when it goes with zero pullback. Um, yeah, those are the tough situations. I mean, there's times where I just know I'm in a bad trades and I should just cut it, but I don't. Those are the toughest ones for sure. Try to avoid them as much as possible. Don't, buy. Oh, I am up close to $1,000, guys. I might just take the $1,000 today and call it a day. But this could be a nice. This could be a $1,500 day. I wonder if I should hold. I'm gonna hold for a little bit more and see what happens. I'm hedging. I don't hedge. Hedging's not allowed, just so you know. Like you can't go long and short. It's a you're short Nasdaq. You can't just go long ES. I don't think on the same account. On the evaluation, you can do whatever you want, but on the funded account, what a breakout here, guys. We got another strong day in the books. Oh. Okay, I have no idea. I know some prop firms don't like that. It should stop going up at 15,895. There's no such thing. It can, but doesn't. It shouldn't stop. I mean, no one knows that. Just so you know. I don't know what to do, guys. Come on. Why is this stock running? I want my $1,000. This is the Wave 3 by Elgato. How close am I to payout? Let's see. All right, so this first 6 accounts could qualify. Let me see which ones could qualify. No, the bottom ones, okay. So these 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 could qualify for a payout on Monday next week. So I'm at 1800, 2100, 17, 15, 15, 16. So that's how close I am. So today's what, Tuesday? Go Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. 4 days. So I gotta make decent profit still. That is my strategy, yeah, but I don't follow it all the way. Regular trader. I've saved myself quite a lot of headaches, sometimes taking profits early. Okay. There's just a lot of room for these. Like, this could go down a lot. And this too. So I'm gonna hold a little longer. Come on. See, we could get 15 ticks again. I'm gonna break even on that. What? See, I hate how it does that. Like, all the orders disappeared. Oh, I am so pissed because it's gonna stop me. I'll break even. Come on. Stupid Quant Tower. Winning trade turns into a break even trade. Are you kidding me? Why did the orders disappear? Why? Being so selective about a trade and then this fucking thing happens. Margin requirements for stock shorting. I don't know. Depends. But I have a big account, so it doesn't matter. Regular trader, no, I focus on futures, and the system I got from my friend for stocks, so it would be a this. It would be a this to just show it to everyone. And small cap trading is very selective and very sensitive because it's not as many shares available, so it's very easy to manipulate. And this is the first issue I've had with Contour in a long time. I don't know why that happened. I hit break even, so the order should have been break even. Why did it cancel the other orders? I have no idea. That was a freaking winner. Whatever. I'll get over it. But that was freaking annoying. Okay, now I'm up 1,000, 1,100. Just right click on the chart and just go to settings, visual trading. But yeah, I don't know why I did that. I've done that a few times before and it worked. I should just close it manually, right? But like I wasn't sure where my target was supposed to be. Oh, I think I know why. I think if there's no stop at all, then it cancels it. Like if I had a stop, it would just move the stop. But since there was no stop, it just canceled this order. Oh, and now I'm gonna be stuck in this trade. Of course. It's right here, no? Visual trading. Trades. Just select that. Oh man. Nice. 1100 now. I'm gonna take off 61 shares. You have to trade for 10 days. So I have till Monday to request a payout. If I don't get a payout on Monday, then I have to wait till December 1st. Which is okay too. What do I do to scan stocks? I use tradingterminal.com. Tradingterminal.com. It's free for now. That's what I use for scanner. But I short sell stocks, so I don't know if that makes a difference, but I do not long stocks at all. So you need a proper broker to do that. No, I should have added. Would have been a nice winner now. Because this could just, yeah. And you have reversal here. I'm so I got lucky on that for sure. So did I trade all the PA accounts? Okay. Yeah, one more trade on this group and then up almost 1,300 on stocks. Let's go. One of the better days I've had in a long time. The payout is actually really good. So what I like about Apex now is like on deal, if you requested a payout for, let's say 5 accounts, right? You would get 5 different wire transfers. Now it's 1 wire transfer. So if you request 5 accounts, 2,000 each, you'll get a $10,000 wire transfer right to your bank. Nice and easy. 111 people watching. Let's hit that thumbs up, guys. Let's get this money going here. You guys could see I am up quite nicely on the day, but we're gonna continue trading. Day is still young, and I still gotta trade 2 more accounts at least, and I would like to get more profits on a couple other ones. I have no idea what the alternative payout thing is for international users. It's been a nightmare for them. Trade with Hamza. I am a streamer, so I have to trade throughout the day. If I want to stream, I gotta trade. If I'm not gonna trade, I'm not gonna stream. So it's like it goes hand to hand. But I have so many accounts that for me to trade all my accounts, I have to trade, a few hours a day. Let me make sure I didn't pass any evals and continue trading like I did yesterday again. Yep, I passed another eval. I didn't even know. See, I passed another eval here. I wouldn't even know. I would have just continued trading without realizing it. And this one, oh, guys, and 150K is almost done. Look at that. So I should have never looked, but it's only $60 away. $60 away. Let's go. So that'll be 12, 13, 14 accounts. Pre-market YouTuber. I would do that, but unfortunately I am going to sleep at like 4 a.m. lately, so one night break even. I think for me, I did not spend a lot of money. I did not spend a lot of money on PA accounts before I got my first payout, so I would say in May of this year. Come on, that was so close. You want to fill me. I might move to 6 ticks after this, guys. Still liking 15. If this fills me, then I'll pass this eval. This account that I'm trading here is the 150K account. And basically what I'm doing is, there we go. And then basically what I'm doing is like, I go to my copy trader and then I just change the other accounts in the, like, I can't show you guys because it shows the full name, but let me see. I think it does. I could kind of show you like this. I think. Let me see how much of you guys could see. So like now I would just select different accounts. So I passed this one, the main one, so I'm gonna change that. But this is the 150K. So then I would trade that like every single day as the main account, and I would just change the connections here. So once I made $200-300 per account, I would just go here and change the account to the next one. And kind of. But this account is 175. Okay. All right, so you guys see all my trades here, and now I'm gonna switch over to another account because this one's passed already. Oh man, how much did I make on the okay, 209, okay. Bouncing on me, bastards. So I have another 150K eval. Wait, what? I thought I was gonna be close to passing it, but that's not the case. This eval, I thought I was close to passing it, but that's the peak balance. I have no idea what happened there, that I was up so much and now I'm only down to this, but it is what it is. Okay, let's add one more Apex account here. And then basically how I do it is like I'll just go by like account balance and I'll find like the next highest balance, like this one, and I'll just trade that, you know. Like this is gonna be my next in this group now, so I'm gonna find out what account this is and trade that. Because a lot of these accounts, guys, are like day 12, 13 of this evaluation. It's crazy, but I don't trade them every day. Just no time. Right? I don't. Yeah, I wonder if this account is even active anymore. You're right. Because look, the liquidate threshold is 148. So that's got to be some kind of error. Let me see if I could take trades on it. Yeah, it still works, so must be an error. I don't have a TikTok Direct account anymore. I only had it for a little bit. I took out 3 payouts from TikTok Direct. That allowed me to pay for the Apex evaluations. Then I got paid out with Apex on 3rd and 4th evaluation. No, Third and fourth PA account. I don't know how many evaluations that was, but not many. So I was basically profitable from the beginning, but last year I tried with Tick Direct. I mean, with Tick, I tried with Lilu, and I tried with Elite Trader Funding, maybe, or Bullnox, one or the other. So now I'm profitable, but I didn't really get payouts. I got one payout last year for like $1,000 on Tick Direct. I mean, on Tick. I keep saying Tick Direct. That didn't exist last year. But now I'm just focused on Apex for the most part. I have a couple other firms, but Apex is my like goal because there's so much potential. Let me see. Yeah, we're not even up 1,000 anymore, bastards. Why are you guys bouncing these stocks, man? And the fees were so little today. I think this has a room to go down more. Okay, maybe not. So let's move that up. Profit target. Make a smaller target. Kind of chase that. So hopefully it has some follow through. Come on. You know you want to. There we go. So that's easy. I was like 8 ticks, I think. Nothing crazy, but I can move on to the last group of my funded accounts. So now I gotta move to 69 and 70. Oh, the 15 ticks would have worked. Yeah, I trade stocks. Andreas, no, I took it this morning actually, or I emailed them this morning or last night, I forgot. But yeah, I ended up getting it already. It's already out of my account. I'm already trading it. I'm already up $90 in it. And I was about to short it here, but then I saw support and I didn't. Am I getting a payout this month? Hopefully on Monday, but still quite far away on a lot of accounts. So hopefully at least like 2 accounts so I could pay for these fees and still have like a profitable month, and then every month will be profitable since basically June, I would say. I think I got to pay out every month since June, at least a little bit. Some payouts were just 2 or 4K, nothing crazy, but that's enough to cover the fees that I spent that month. And like, if you think about it logically, 20 accounts, right? 20 accounts, 40K payout. We do that 3 times in a year, and that's already a great year. So that's what I'm trying to like focus on for next year. Like, yes, I could just rush these accounts, try to get to payouts, but at the same time, I know the first payout is the one that takes the longest and when we get in trouble. And this short was amazing. So if we just stay patient for the first payout, then the second, third payouts come so quick. So I'm not gonna force it too much. I do have evaluations. I could, keep passing. and replace the accounts I'm going to withdraw from if I don't have a lot of profit in them. So if I have like 3K of profit and I withdraw 2,000, that's going to be hard to recover. I should be able to recover if it's a perfect day, I'll recover, no problem. But if it's like one of the tougher days and I go into drawdown, then I'll lose those accounts. How long have I been doing futures? On and off. Very consistent. This is the most consistent time I've been doing it since May of this year, April this year, end of April to beginning of May. I've been trading for a very long time, so I'm very accustomed to, candles and trading in general. But futures has not been consistent for me. Like I didn't stick with it. I tried it in 2021. I might have tried it in 2020. The prop firms back then were so strict. I don't know what just happened. Oh, okay. All right, guys. I'm gonna move on to 6 ticks. I think I've been getting stuck in worse trades because of that. So I'm just gonna let this trade play out. But after this trade, 6 ticks. Usually I move to 6 ticks even earlier than this. But this trade would have been a winner. I would have been able to reshort. Okay, I'm not letting this go past break even. I'm just gonna get out. It's fine. What is a perfect trading day for me? I don't know what perfect trading day for me is. Today is pretty perfect. I'm not up a lot. I guess yesterday was pretty perfect. I think yesterday was pretty much. Yesterday I was up $300-400 per account. Today's been pretty good too, though. Yeah, see, one payout, 20 accounts is your annual salary. That's what I'm trying to say. Like, we try to rush things, but we could just do it slowly and eventually get there, and it's gonna be worth it. I'm really eager to short this. I don't know why. Instead of waiting for a pullback or a pop. Because this could just recover. This could just go right back up, and then I'm screwed. And I think it's going to, actually. Just take a peek on stocks. Oh, man. Stocks are bouncing, guys. I knew I should have taken a profit when I had it. Oh, so annoying. That's why I don't always hold, and I don't always stick to the strategy. You know what? Whatever it is, I'm happy with it. Let me just call it a day on stocks. It's not worth the headache. 746 on stocks. I was up like 1,200, but whatever. I can't lose $1,200. Why am I? These are 50K accounts. Well, I'm pissed now, but whatever. I can't even check what the stocks will do because if they crash, I will be really upset. Maverick, yes, I did get that payout. No, I don't make $500 every day. I lose quite a lot too. Lately, it's been good. This month's been good. This month has been good. Let's see how I did this month. But still nothing compared to what I could do on futures. So this is my P&L for the month. So that I'm gonna be up $4,000 now on the month on stocks. This is right now month to date, and today was another $700, so not bad. We'll take that all day. It's just a passive income, you know? Like I get into the trades, a little stressful sometimes because I do risk quite a lot on them. And I'm not actively trading them, so it feels like a passive income. Technically, you're supposed to activate your accounts in 2 days after you pass them. So what you want to do is just don't trade day 7. So if you pass them, just hold it on day 6. Only NQ. I hate the ES. ES is too slow for me. What do I think about SPY puts options? I don't understand at all. But if it's a YOLO play, then no. You don't want to do YOLO plays. That's not what trading is about. Trust me, it's not worth it. You'll never make money consistently trying to YOLO. If you're gonna YOLO anything, just buy an eval and just YOLO the eval with futures. But don't YOLO your real money. What is a yellow plate? What does that mean? All right. Oh, so I passed 3 more evals. I have 14 funded accounts as of tomorrow, guys. 14 funded accounts, 6 more to go. 14 is the most I ever had at once. But that didn't go well at all. Futures trader, what's going on, brother? How's it going? How was your day today? Did you YOLO any accounts on CPI? Thank you, thank you. Yeah, it's been a pretty solid day for me. Can you guys see the PNL or is it blurry? Let me make it smaller so you can make it bigger by making it smaller. Yeah, like that. Maybe. Make it take up the least amount of space. There we go. ABF, no. So the funded accounts start with PA, and the evaluations start with Apex. And what happened? How do I handle max loss? I just move on. I don't dwell on it too much. Because again, the max loss is the only time max loss really hurts is when you're up a lot on a funded account and then you lose it. Nice. Nice squeeze. Lucky on that one. Oh, it's 6 ticks. It's a little easier. I'm done with 15 ticks, I think, for today. Yeah, nice day. Thank you, Mike. How is the Discord? I didn't pop in yet today. Today volatility was actually slow for the open. But yeah, I usually start with 15. Today I went longer with the 15. I was getting filled. So as long as I'm getting filled, it's not a problem. But like last couple of trades, I tried getting 15 ticks and you saw me kind of struggle getting that last couple ticks. So I just switch over. Sorry to hear that, but that's how it goes sometimes, you know. It's trading is difficult. Trading is for sure difficult, so don't dwell on it too much. I hope you started some new evaluations since then. We've all been there. I've blew accounts that were ready for payout before. Hit that thumbs up for me, guys, please. I appreciate your support so much. 160 people again. Feel like we have a lot of regulars coming back, so that's awesome. I'll be live every day of the week. Probably be live every day of the month, to be honest. I don't have any vacations or any trips planned or track days. Track season's closed, so as long as people are tuning in, I'll be going live. Do I have a video explaining the eval process? No, because to me that's a very, very, very basic information. So I never thought about making it. But maybe I'll make like a beginner's guide to Apex. That might be something I want to do. Steve, how you doing, Steve? Welcome to the stream. Max loss is tough. Max profit's easy. Max profit, $400 would be, I would say, max I would make in a day on the funded account for now. It's easy to get lost. And if you guys are in Discord and stuff, just be careful with seeing like people posting like, 20 accounts making $1,000, $2,000 per account. Like a lot of times they don't show if it's a PA account or if it's a evaluation account. And also it's a lot of times not consistent, so it's all about consistency and making. I realized that obviously by learning through my mistakes, making $100 a day or even $50 a day on 10 accounts, we would be way more ahead of ourselves than we are now. For most of us, $50 a day, which is just, depends how you want to look at it. You could do 11 ticks with one contract. So you basically have to capture 11 ticks, or 10 ticks of net profit, So you could do one trade with 11 ticks. You could do multiple trades, like 6-tick trades. So 6 ticks is actually $26. So you do that twice, and that's your $50. And you do that every day for a whole entire year, you'll be so far ahead compared to where you are now. But you want it now, right? You want it to get there now, and that's what makes us set ourselves back and screw everything up. Yeah, just 10K a week, Slayer. Yeah, are very humble goals you got. Just a $40,000 a month, just $500,000 a year. That's all we want. I never thought about the possibility of making more money with trading than I do with my business, and next year it's a possibility. I have that feeling of potentially doing it. All right, so we're pulling back here. So this would have been a good trade regardless. I think this wants to go down more. That's nice support there. Let's see if it bounces at all. It might just dump through it though. Let's see if it bounces for me. Give me 6 ticks, please. So I still would have been able to get 15, I think, or close to it. Maybe I'll do 7 ticks. Every tick counts, guys. When you copy trade accounts, every tick counts. I trade with my personal name, but yeah, I'm gonna. Oh, Mike, Slayer, I'm gonna have to talk to you about that for next year. I think starting next year, I want to do LLC because I have to do an S corp. Right now, if you trade under your personal name, and you don't have an S corp, there's no difference in taxes. But once you have an S corp, you could save money on taxes, on self-employment tax. You want 100K right now? There you go. It's 1, 2, 3. Should I keep going? Oh man, my hair is so itchy from the hat hair. Do you guys ever get out of the shower and you put a hat on and then your hair is just like, or in the winter when you wear a hat? Oof. Oh, Avi, I did get your email, by the way. I did see it this morning. So I'll try to get to you. See, I think 6 ticks, 6 ticks, I would have had the target, and 7 ticks missed it. That's how, trading works sometimes. This dumps, it's gonna be interesting. Gonna have to trade out of it. Okay, not good. That's not good. Let's see if it holds the support. Yeah, see how like one trade, I've said that yesterday, one trade just missing it by a tick, and now like I'm in this. I'm not talking about right now. Right now it's fine, but there's so much room for it to go down that this is not a good trade. Like I don't know if this wants to bounce at all anytime soon. This could have big candles, so I hope that before it does, it bounces and gets me out of the trade, but we'll see. That's it. Let's go. So now I could lower this by, I could make that a break-even trade if I want to. Which I think is a safer play to do, but hope I don't regret it. I'll look for a new trade if anything. But you guys could see what I'm kind of doing here. No, it's not Ninja. It's Quan Tower. That is not Ninja. I prefer Quan Tower over Ninja. No. I had close to 200 yesterday at one point. And I had during AMC I had 3,000 people watching me once. AMC days, GME AMC days. Anyone been around during that time? Yeah, at 3K it was crazy. I don't know what to do here. Do I add one more? Or is this gonna break down? Action slowed down quite a lot. But I think the price wants to go lower, so I need to get out of this before it does. Come on. You know we want to. But you see how, guys, this is not averaging down. This is like I'm taking individual trades. So I already took, from my entry here, I already took a loss. When I bought it here and I sold the contract here, that contract got sold for a loss here. But this is not good because it's gonna dump. Should have waited with the ad. That's all right. We'll see what happens here. Still support here. I'm afraid when it breaks that, it's gonna be like a 20-point drop. Maybe not 20, maybe 10. I trust the bulls. Thank you, Addict. Why did you have a red day? I don't trust indicators, but I'm hoping you're right. Okay. The action is definitely slow. Like yesterday, in what do you call these? Between the ticks or between the levels, it was like 2 points. Like that's one way I could tell volatility is lower. When the interval on the price chart on the price axis is like only 50 cents. It's not 50 cents. It's $2.50. What am I talking about? I guess if you zoom in, zoom out, it's different. I don't know what I'm talking about. I just need it to go up. No, it's not going up. Damn. Volatility is picking up, like I said. If it breaks this level, it's gonna drop about 10 points to here. And then we're gonna have to take a lot of trades to recover. Come on, bounce from us. I can't add right here though, because if it dumps, it's gonna. If it bounces, it bounces. If it dumps, then I need the bullets for later. Looks too heavy right now. You're probably zoomed out. I'm on a 1 minute chart, Christine. You probably just zoomed out. Like if you zoom out and you make the price like this, then yeah, candles are not gonna move a lot. I had a good day on stocks and then it bounced. I was up like $1,200 on stocks and then they bounced. So I got out for like 750. I'm scared to even check what they did.
Stop field.
Okay.
Hold the field.
Yeah, I feel like changing to 7 ticks is causing me a lot of trouble. Like I missed my profit target by a tick. Come on, bounce for me. 6, 7 ticks. I have to work 7 ticks at a time to get out of this pickle. Nutty Bar is in the building. What's going on, Nutty? How's everything going with that? Got some big order going on. I just saw your message. Hey Alpine, congrats on the green day. Thank you. Right now we're stuck in a bit of a pickle, but hopefully it works out for us. Passed 3 more evaluations. So if we don't blow any accounts today, it's a big if. I'll have 14 funded accounts tomorrow. That is the most I've ever had at once, so that's a good progress. And then 6 more to go. Is this stream on delay? No, just make sure you guys hit live. What's my model? I don't know. I don't know what that means. Strategy? Nutty is grinding. See, me and Nutty have a lot in common. We run small businesses. We trade. We stream. For me, it's different. I trade all day, work all night. But I'm slow for the rest of the year, thank God. So I really need those payouts. And it's all based on intuition and price action. Yeah, I rarely sleep. I went to sleep at 4 o'clock in the morning last night. And I was trading CPI news this morning. I traded another prop firm with CPI. Went pretty well. All right, we need a bounce here. Come on. Like, we're down only like 10 points. Like, we could do it. On the initial entry, I have not, no. So I was doing, so all day I was doing 15 ticks. Then I missed a couple profit targets and I got stopped break even. So then I decided to move to 6 ticks. And the 6 ticks were getting filled fast. So I switched to 7 ticks. And this last trade here, I missed it. Missed the profit target by a tick. I forget which order it was. I think here. This is the initial entry. And missed the profit target here. I lowered it now, but this profit was literally a tick higher than this at 7 ticks. At 6 ticks, I would have been out of the trade. Right now, it's just one contract. You guys could see my PNL down here, no? Let me make that a little bit bigger. I've recycled this trade a couple of times. And I like this bounce here. Wow, this price action is so slow though. Like very slow. Come on. You kidding me? Can't even get 6, 7 ticks. Okay, we're gonna go back to 6 because 7 is clearly not the answer. Not today. Yeah, today's action sucks. This is my last group of accounts too, so just need a couple. If I get out of this trade for profit, I would be close to done for the PA accounts. Not fully, but I would be close to done on the day. Like I'm break even on the day right now on these, but I was up already like $100 something. Can we go now? Nutty, I'm about to go to Walmart and make this a Walmart trade. I've been stuck in it for too long. Rip it. Rip it. I need we need to record Nutty when he says that stuff and use a soundboard. Okay? See? Almost. Bastards. We've been stuck in a 10-point range. Not even, like a 5-point range for the most part, besides this little extension here. But I'll take this price action over crazy volatile, like 50-point candle type price action. That's when I get in trouble. With this, I could work out of this. I could close the trade now and be technically green on it. Or at least break even. Okay. Okay. Rip it. Rip it. I know we got resistance there, but I'm not going to close it. Oh, you bastards. You know you want to rip it. You know you want to rip it. Thank you, Nutty. The Nutty power. Robert, did you just join? So much emotion. Everyone's calling me emotionless and all this, and this guy says I'm showing a lot of emotion. I'm like my name should be the Stone Cold Trader. Robert, where are you from? It's an interesting name. Van sounds like a Dutch name, but the last name I'm not sure. Ah, it is. Nice. Van Persie and Van Buren and all those Vans. I'm a huge Max Verstappen fan. Ferrari. Now it's ripping, guys. Damn. Hey, I don't know where you're from, but Formula One in the US is not like the most popular topic. So anyone that likes Formula One to me is a friend of mine. I don't care. I saw a guy wearing a Mercedes, Formula One Mercedes jacket or like a hoodie. No, it was like a jacket, a zip up, and he was buying a Red Bull. And I'm like, oh, what are you doing here? Or like, I'm like, what? I'm like, excuse me, what are you doing? And he looked at me like, I'm like you cheating on your team? But yeah, I like Red Bull since Vettel days. And then, yeah. Is your goal to take small $30 profits many times a day? Yes, for the most part. So typically it's $70 because I usually do 15 ticks and then I switch over. Once the price action slows down, I'll do 6 or 7 ticks. Yeah, Verstappen is just another. He's on another planet right now. Zero mistakes. Zero mistakes from that guy. No, I do not use a stop loss like that. I let the trade play out differently. It's more risky that way, but these prop firms are kind of intended for me to do that, right? Yeah, mental stop. But I try to work out of a trade. So like I lower my average by not averaging down, but just ignoring the first entry and trading throughout the day. Because if I just average down, I would have blown up many times. But in a case of like huge volatility, when the candles are like 50 points, then there's just no hope. You know, I've blown accounts that way. So it's not like it's a perfect strategy. It's just something that's consistent. And since there's not much risk in these prop firms, it's worth doing it. What do I think of Jaguar cars? Not sure how I feel about. I mean, the F-Type is. It's like a luxury car. It's very small, so it's very similar to what I have in the same class. But I don't know why you like them. I like the look of it, especially like the Type R or whatever the brand is that they have. Okay, guys, I have to go in again because this now wants to go higher, I think. Maybe not. I'm trading PA accounts right now. You see me. Most of the accounts I'm trading right now are PA accounts. Do I like the GT4 RS? Haha. Of course I do. It's one of my favorite cars. I've seen one, I've sat in one, I've driven next to one on the track. There was a sick green one with like gold wheels. And Q, yes. Not M and Q. And that was a terrible entry. And we got out of trouble and we just got right back into trouble. And this time might be worse because this time the volatility is increasing. No. Alfred, the risk for this account is $100. I paid $16 for the evaluation and $85 for a monthly fee. So I'm risking $100. So to me, it's not risky. But that's how I see it. So I look at it way different than the majority of the people. And I already got many payouts, so all these accounts are free. But yeah, that was a terrible entry, guys. This is going to be very hard to work out of. Damn. We're going to need a lot of trades to work out of this. I mean, it's only down 10 points. Again, it just seems like a bigger move than it really is, but yeah. You'll see, Robert. No, it's not nutty. Joey, That's just the way I trade. I don't believe in risk to reward trading. I don't know anyone that's profitable trading that way. Damn, what a terrible entry, guys. That was terrible. That's the sad part of streaming. You just like hesitate and then you jump into something. But let's see if we can work out of it. Probably won't be able to though. I don't see it as a easy way of getting out because this is gonna dump for a long time. This trapped longs like crazy. So we just need consolidation. We're definitely gonna have to take a loss on that. So every time I'm gonna take a trade, I'm gonna lower my profit target. Damn. All right, guys, let's get to work. No, this is gonna dump. I have to wait for consolidation now. Damn. Yeah, this is gonna blow the account. It sucks because I was almost past with Top Step. I was $100 away from passing Top Step. Damn, boy. I like $200 away from passing Top Step, but yeah, I'm just gonna wait. See if I could get some kind of bounce and be still like, you know, it's a 40-point dump, but still workable. Do you gonna say FOMO one more time? Watch the stream for more than 1 hour and then talk to me. How many payouts have you received, Robert? I don't have FOMO because my target was not to hold to that push. FOMO is when you miss a move because you sell too soon. I sell for 6 ticks, so I don't have FOMO. I just thought the price was going to go higher. There's a big difference between FOMO and chasing. I thought this looked strong. You tell me that this didn't have a possibility to really go to the highs again? The best part about NQ is that it rotates. Most of the time it rotates. There's very rare that it has a trending day. So as long as there's no trending day, I could work out of my trades for the most part. It's not flawed because of the prop firm. The prop firm model allows you to risk big. On the real account, it would be a little sketchy. But I've done it in the past. It's just you're not gonna make a lot of profit. You know, you're not gonna make huge gains. You're gonna have to call it a day. I mean, I've taken how many trades already say? I can't even see. Let's see. I took 117 contracts already today. You know, that's enough profit for a whole entire week. So I'm just pushing the limit because I'm trading a lot of accounts and it is what it is. But scalping is something that exists in trading. I don't know if you guys know that, but I've been around for a long time, and every single big time profitable trader trades with the right negative risk to reward in my experience. I've never met someone that risked 1 to make 5 and is profitable. They could say it, they could teach, but they're not actual traders or big time profitable traders. You have to put on big risks, in my opinion, and you have to feel comfortable with it. You have to put on feelers. I have 14 as of tomorrow. I just passed 3 more today. Yeah, Lavender, exactly what you said. So if I get one payout from Apex, that means I could blow 20 accounts and still be break even. You know, so like, of course I could take a little bit more riskier approach to trading. It's not like a big deal. And people will, you know, judge and whatever, but at the same time, I really could care less. And they see one bad trade or whatever. I've had all week of great trades and very profitable in the week. So my stock trading, I risk $3,000 per trade. So you think I care about $100? No, it just sucks to lose time, obviously. And then these accounts are also, the ones I'm trading now are also new. So I haven't really traded them more. I think this is like day 2 of trading them because I didn't have time to even trade them a couple of days. Yeah, Nutty, I was actually thinking about the same thing. Do you think that you had bigger size on certain trades and they got split into multiple orders and then that's why more executions got created? But it's funny because when I was in this trade, right? When I was in this trade, I was saying I need a bounce before it dumps because I know it's gonna dump, but I just need a bounce before it does. And then I chased it. So it's pretty funny how that works sometimes. Oh, Nutty, I got my payout from trade day, by the way. So the only prop firm that owns me money right now is Top Step and Elite Trader Funding. Those two are the other ones that I traded with. But Elite Trader Funding I never got funded with, so not a lot of money. Top Step I've had a couple of funded accounts, so eventually I would like to get a payout with Top Step, but we'll see. For now, we're just focused on Apex here, and I have a trade day account, but that's a small account, so I'll just make a couple $100 there. Oh, and just take it out and probably close the account. Yeah, it was a small payout, but I paid for the account. I forget what it was. It was pretty much the last day of the month or very close to it. It got approved quick, but then the actual payout took a while. Damn, Nutty. That's rough. But I feel you on that. How is Top Step? I mean, Top Step is okay. It's not the best, not the worst. It's hard to find the best prop firm, to be honest. Apex just has a lot of benefits, but is it the best as far as like one account to one account when you compare one account to the next and you compare eval to the funded account to the next? Is Apex the best? Maybe not. But the fact that you could have so many accounts, the fact that they're cheap, the fact that there's very simple rules to understand. There's no hidden rules. There's no, the trailing drawdown sucks. That's why I scalp also. Some people don't understand that, but scalping helps with trailing drawdown. We got 212 people watching. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I can't do a giveaway today because I'm not using the right streaming software. So the software that I do giveaways with, I don't have as good of a quality on the stream, so I decided to go with my regular one, and yeah. How fast? Very fast. Instantly, basically. Emailed, sent in the W9, and then damn. So that, I don't know if you guys ever heard about the hockey player thing that happened. But the guy got arrested. That's crazy. Oh, wow, 212 people watching. Let's get to 100 likes, guys. Let's get to 100 likes. Hit that subscribe. Me and Nutty will be doing a live stream soon, right, Nutty? I mean, if not his previous history, I don't think he would get arrested. But his previous history with penalties and stuff. We're getting a bounce, so let's see. Still got a long ways to go, but not even down that much on the accounts. See if we could find a higher low here and then maybe start adding more contracts. That's the thing, like, he might have done it not on purpose, but like what he did was very stupid. I'm a huge hockey fan, so I understand how things work, and that didn't seem like... Nah, if you kill someone during a football game or soccer game, you're not gonna get arrested if it's part of the sport. Like a boxer, like if a boxer kills another boxer, they're not gonna get arrested for it. All right, Nutty, take care. Have fun at work. We'll see you on the stream soon. Yeah, let's see if the Bulls have some kind of answer to the Bears. What hockey team do I support? I support the New York Rangers. I'm going to the Rangers Devils game on Saturday. Was I able to withdraw from trade day? Yes. It was a very simple payout process, to be honest. The indicators that I have on my chart, there is none currently. Typically, I have these moving averages. 20 and a 200. All right, this is not holding up. I've seen something about it, but I'm not trading with futures and with Polarity ATI. I don't know. I was told you can't McSweeney, but I think you can as long as it's not something super obvious. Yeah, when you withdraw, you lose drawdown. That's why I only took out a little bit. How do prop firms make payouts? Most people fail, so most people, buy valuations, get funded, blow up. So it's like an insurance company model. Basically, there's more failures than successes, and that's how they're a profitable business, which is great. That's how they're able to give us the opportunity to do what we do. And then if you become consistent, you'll be fine. But there's always going to be new traders out there that are going to join and always buy accounts and blow up. And trading is hard. This sucks. Again, all because of one tick. And we're on the wrong side of the move, and it's choppy today and not giving us a lot of opportunity to really work out of this trade. Some kind of news, or what was that? I don't know. I don't feel good about this long at all. There's so much room for it to go down. I don't know. Hopefully it works out. Yeah, trade day doesn't want to see flipping, but I don't know. For me, I had that issue. So on day 9, I kind of took a loss because I was already past, but I wanted to, to make it look like I'm trading. So ended up losing on the day. So then I had to make a profit on the final day. But I don't know if they would have checked. Do I watch NHL regularly? Yes, I follow it really closely. It's my favorite sport. F1, NHL, and then the secondary sports are soccer, football, baseball, and UFC boxing, but those I watch more for casual entertainment. Okay. Some support showing up here. Maybe. Maybe not. Maybe not. Okay. It's gonna be very hard to work out of this trade. It's just not enough volatility and we're at the peak. I would have to take a lot of scalps to work out of this trade. If this falls through, then it's gonna be pretty much over for the Top Step account. Which sucks. I think that's the curse. I think it's the Top Step curse. I just can't seem to get funded with Top Step. Literally one tick. What's going on, guys? How's everyone doing, though? Let's do a poll here. I always like to do this on a daily basis around noon. I like to do a giveaway on the stream once in a while too, just so you guys know. Today I can't, but typically we'll do a giveaway throughout the stream. Execution limit is from Take Profit Trader. Take Profit Trader is the only firm that I know of that does have a limit of executions. Trade with Hamza, that's a good discipline. If you have a specific trade that you wait for, then good for you. I know it's frustrating, but Sam, welcome. This is one of the worst trades of the week so far. Hopefully it works out, but right now it's not working out too well. The day was really good until I chased the entry on this position, and now it's just 15,800. Maybe. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if I do 6 times 6, well, 6 times 5, really. So I could lower this price, this target by 30 ticks. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This is either like break even. That's kind of shitty. All right. I'm trading minis. Minis. NQ is minis. MNQ is micros. You could tell by the right here. You could tell it's NQ. Johnny B, that kind of happened to me too. On stocks, I was up like $1,300 on stocks today, and then it started to reverse on me, and I just called it. Kind of frustrating way to end the day on stocks, but it's not Apex. It's not Apex. It's it's take profit trader. Apex does not have a limitation of executions. I would be screwed otherwise. Oh, still a long way to go. This is gonna take way longer. Well, it's not 50 trades, it's 50 executions. So it's 25 trades. Or if you take multiple contracts or micros, like Nutty trades micros, so it adds up quick. Oh. I'm not liking this at all. How much am I down overall? 360. So we're down 360 per account, like $300 right now. But at this break even level, we're down 360, 318. Yeah, the Pro Plus eliminates that, but they don't want you scalping. That's why they have that rule. Oh man, we're not gonna bounce anytime soon. Uh, yeah, the previous support's becoming previous. I mean, previous support is becoming resistance now. Here and here and here. It's probably gonna be the next. Yeah, so taking this long up here was really silly of me to even doing. Have I tried Bullnox option 2? No, it wouldn't really benefit me. JJR, good job, good job. Crypto Monster only like 30K. Yeah, and that's basically since June, so only half a year. But hopefully I'll get that to like 60K by end of the year. I'm still hopeful for a big payout by end of the year. My break even? No. On these trades, I'm down a lot. My average is basically right here, 871. So I'm down 30 points. And it's not looking pretty. I think this is gonna dump. So we might be losing our first group of accounts if that's the case. Still hopeful, but just very low volatility, so it's very hard to work out of it. Just need a big jump. Nah, I'm not gonna get out because it could just bounce. See, like if I got out, I would be frustrated now, so I'd rather let the system play out. News at 12:30. Noise. What kind of news are we talking? Something good? Something that could move the market or some BS news? Maybe that will help me. See? Yeah, not major news. Okay. Let's see. Just where I thought it was gonna break down, it didn't. So shorts were probably piling in here. Hit that thumbs up for me, guys. I'll be right back. I'm just gonna get something to drink. Not much of a bounce yet. See you 1 minute till the news. This is Quan Tower. You can see the link in the description. Actually, I don't have a link in the description, but Quan Tower is pretty sweet because you could trade multiple prop firms at the same time. I don't know. Some people said there was news. Not that I know of. So we'll see. They said 12:30. There's some kind of news. Nothing major, but not for like a lot of accounts, but like for like 6 accounts, there's no problems with Quan Tower. Copy trader. Yeah. No name, Fed speaker. Do I recommend NinjaTrader? NinjaTrader is not bad, but I prefer Quan Tower. I wouldn't be using Quan Tower if I didn't like it or if I had issues. I trade a lot, and I could tell you that Quan Tower does not have a lot of issues, like what people make it seem. I've actually seen more issues with NinjaTrader, especially on the days of outages with Rhythmic, how NinjaTrader will just open multiple contracts at the same time. Like every few seconds, it will open a new contract. That never happens on Quan Tower. I wasn't supposed to be streaming this long, guys, because I have a lot to do today, and look at that. We're stuck in the trade, so we're stuck here together. I do have a haircut appointment on 2:30. Just got a reminder. Totally forgot about that. Typically, I would stream longer, but today it's my girlfriend's birthday. I gotta get a haircut and do a bunch of things. So before we go out, but thanks for tuning in, guys. Let me know how you guys are doing if you haven't voted. Almost 80% of people are green today. I like that. Is it free to copy trade Apex accounts with Quan Tower? Yes. It's just not free if you want to trade multiple accounts. If we could break out of this 50 level of resistance. What is this? Oh, I like this tool. Some cool drawing tools on Quan Tower. But yeah, this is like a big head and shoulders. But hopefully, I don't know where the break even is, but if I take a few more trades, then the break even would be closer. Because the initial entry was up here. It doesn't even show it for some reason. I don't know why it doesn't show my entry, but the entry was up here, no? Or was it up here? No, it was up here. Apex all day. I prefer Apex. That's why I trade Apex. I don't trade Apex for any other reason besides the fact that the potential to make big money is pretty simple. I forget what I was up on these accounts before I took this trade. Pretty sure I was up over $200, no? Probably should have called it a day, but it is what it is, as Nutty would say. So let's see if we could get a bounce here, guys. Let's see if we could get a nice big bounce. Oh, there's really no big problem. The problems are they move you to a live account very fast. So you don't have that much potential to really trade. I don't know. It's like a thing that I haven't really heard anyone talk about in like concrete setting where it's like, what's the point of you going live if they're still gonna allow you to trade 3 express accounts at the same time? So I don't know how that works. Not sure why you are looking for a bounce. I'm looking for a bounce because I am long. That's the only reason. What else do I not like about Top Step? Like the 2-day rule actually is mentally more difficult to pass than like a 7-day or 10-day evaluation. Opportunity man. I mean, that's something I'm not proud of it. I shouldn't be in this trade because the entry was so bad. Yeah, so once you're profitable, they'll move you to a live account pretty quick compared to Apex. And like the 50% payout, then it's like if you take your first payout, you lose your drawdown. So the remaining drawdown is whatever you have left in the account from your profits. So it's like a lot of different things that, but you know, it is what it is. For someone that prefers end of day drawdown, Top Step is the option. If someone prefers trailing drawdown, Apex is the option. You can only do one account. Live account is only one. And for me to make big money with trading futures, I need multiple accounts. I just don't see myself trading 20 contracts. You know, like I'd rather do 20 accounts in one contract. That's the thing, Nutty Wieland, I don't understand. Regular trader, even before that, 20K is maximum. So if you make 20K really fast, but if you make, 17, 15K over like, 20, 30 days, they'll move you to a... Why would you be okay with live drawdown? I mean, there's no difference, really. It's just... I don't know. Again, Top Step. Oh, you talking about with trailing drawdown? Why would I be okay? Or why do I accept it? End of day is better, but then you always have that max loss of 1K or whatever the account is. So in that instance, I prefer trailing drawdown because it stops trailing after a while. So it only affects you from the beginning. If you are profitable nicely for 30 days, yeah, you will go live. If you make $50 a day, maybe not. But if you are making some... Do I live off trading? No, I don't see myself living off trading for a long time. We actually talked about that yesterday. what my goal is for 2024 with trading. Let me show you guys. So this is my goal for 2024. One second. Let me find the one that I like. So this is my goal for 2024. Summer of 2024. If I get a lot of Apex withdrawals, this is what I would work towards getting, because I already drive a Porsche, so I would trade that in. One of the Apex payouts would be a down payment, and then I would yeah, so if you put down 60K, it's only $1,400 a month. I mean, that's not bad at all. That's one payout. You know, even you do 60 months. That's one payout a month. And I would even do more of a down payment because my car is worth more. So let's say like 80,000. Yeah. So that's my goal for trading. I do not see myself going live with, I mean, not live, live off of trading for a long time. I always buy secondhand because it's to get a new one, it's impossible. Plus that model would be in the 170,000 range now. ABF, totally fine, and nice job on having your own account. How are the margins on IB? I guess that's Interactive Brokers. How are the margins for NQ? Is it feasible to live off of trading? Depends where you live. It depends what your lifestyle is. And depends how consistent you are. For me, I don't see it as a full-time career until I am making, 40K withdrawals a month for at least a month, at least a year in a row. It can't be just like an on and off type of thing. You don't know if these prop firms are going to exist in certain time. Also, obviously we're limited to how much money we could take out from these prop firms because they will move us to live accounts. They will, tell us that we got to close the accounts, and then the whole strategy of 20 accounts kind of gets deleted. So there's a lot of things to think about. And trading is just very difficult, and I've been through ups and downs of trading, so I don't want to like rely on it. And plus, I love my job, so there's no reason for me to even think about it. Would I love to make more money trading so I don't have to, so I could pick and choose the jobs? I could decline work so that way I could go on vacations. Like I work every big holiday, I work. There's no, you know, there's no in between. The only holidays I don't work is like Christmas, Easter. Most other holidays I will be stuck working, like long weekends, Memorial Day weekend, Labor Day weekend, 4th of July, New Year's Eve. Most of the days I will be working. So like if I was making a lot money trading, then I could kind of be more picky with what days I decline or what days I go on vacation. I'm in the wedding business, so for me it's weekends, and I don't get to really choose my schedule. Damn guys, we're so close. only like 8 points away, and then just yanked it. Well, let's see if it holds up. Let's see if it holds up. Should have been ready to buy the dip. That would have been a nice dip to buy. $2.5K on IB. Damn, Daria, why would you even bother trading with them? Trading live. Um, how much do I pay for Quant Tower? I pay $20 a month because I paid for 6 months. So for 6 months, it's $120. But it's free if you want to trade with Apex. If you want to trade or whatever prop firm you want to trade with, you could do it for free. But if you want to log in at the same time, like you guys could probably see on the bottom here, you can't see it, but show you. This is a Top Step account. Top Step is being traded with my Apex. All right, guys, we're getting closer. Trying to see what was the high peak of this account. Oh, this is my so I go to the racetrack. I showed this a while ago. This is like the recent event. So this is my car here. This guy spun out right in front of me. That was a very, very fun experience, to be honest. So that's a GT3, GT3, GT4, an older turbo. Yeah, fun times. Oh wait, we're bouncing. Let's go. Trying to find out what's the profit. I'll just close it at that point. I have too many of these things open. All right, so we're only down a little bit now. Like right there should be a small green on the trade. Why not get a GT3? GT3 is so expensive and it's a very harsh car to daily drive. I love a Carrera. It's like a perfect balance of track car versus how do I get? I usually take more. I usually take 15 ticks. 15 ticks is $71. $71 and what's the max profit I have? Whatever, like $300. So that's only like 5 trades. Oh no, that's not. That's because of how I'm trading, but the actual position is here. This is, well, actual position is up here. 877, I think I longed it. Because in futures, it's first contract in and first contract out. So It's hard to explain it, but I've traded many times after that. Let's see if we're break even now. So I'm down like $7 on this trade. After commissions, down $7. And we took 67, like a 13-point loss. The Carrera suspension is more bearable. Oh yeah, by far. Damn, now it's bouncing. Why does it always do that? Why does it always do that? Like as soon as my target gets hit, and I move my target down, the target should have been higher. Wow, I can't get in now though. There's no way. Or where's everyone that wanted me to sell and take a loss? Mental capital. I mean, yeah, I mean that's trading is mental capital. It's gonna happen. It's never gonna be perfect, but it is what it is at this point. Do I want to trade more? That's the question. Okay, let's do the math on how much we made today on the 6 PA accounts that. So I have 6 PA accounts that could qualify for a payout November 20th. So let's add them up now, see where they're at, and then yeah. So this account I made $228 on. This one 441, 213, 213, 213, 213. 1, 2, 3, 4, 213 is 41. Yep. All right, so $1,500 on the day. Mm-hmm. 3,600 on the week. Kind of want to continue trading, but oh, I'm like $200 away from passing Top Step. I use candle momentum. And I'm trying to see who's trapped and who's on the wrong side for the time being, but it's an hour and 35 minutes, Andreas. It's only 12. It's only 1 p.m. I got it at 2:30 p.m., but I still gotta stop by somewhere. Sorry to hear that. GZ Easy. It's been a tough day for a lot of people. For me, it was easy until about when did I enter? Yeah, so almost stuck an hour in this trade. That was terrible. And I still lost on it. Mhm. Engagement ring. I gotta get some chocolates. Some chocolates. I got her a necklace. But yeah. She doesn't know I stream. I should tell her to tune in one day. How much do I earn from my job? That's a little bit personal, but it's in the six figures. It's not a job, it's my business, so I'm saying that's like I'm not gonna share everything. I'm not making a lot, but I'm not making a little. But I worked my ass off for it, and I worked my ass for it for a long time. And like that's another thing with trading is like you'll see someone that's making like say 100K in trading, right? And then you're like, oh, I want to do that too, so I'm gonna become a trader. And then you don't realize how much struggle they went through for all these years to get there. And same thing with business. Wow, we're bouncing now. Like it's really annoying that 100K is really good. Yeah, I make more than that. But my September was my best month ever. Between every income stream, I made 65 grand. But that includes in September, that includes the August payouts, I think. If I'm not mistaken. Yeah, end of August payout, which was paid in September. So I'm counting it for September. Yeah. And this bounce is annoying now, guys, because I could have stuck to the target and I would have made profit. Damn. That stings. How did I get into the wedding business? I wanted to be a club DJ when I started DJing. There's no money in clubs and it's very hard to get into, and you're becoming like a promoter instead of a DJ in the early stages of club DJing. Even to this day, like I work with this bar, this local bar, like it's pretty busy, and I do lighting production for them for like all the big days. So like Halloween, Thanksgiving Eve, New Year's Eve, St. Patrick's Day. I do lighting around the place, lighting outside, inside, and I know how much the DJs make, and it's like we could make more in 1 hour of trading. We could make more in a minute of trading, really. Yeah, I'm a DJ. Yeah, I do DJing, lighting production, and photo booths. So what trading allowed me to do with photo booths is allowed me to never work a photo booth. So I used to work photo booths quite often. Now I don't. Now I have employees that work photo booths all the time. I've always had a couple guys, but like if I had one photo booth in the day, I would go and do it to save on payroll. Or if I had three photo booths or whatever, I would still go and do one. Now I don't. I really rarely go to do a photo booth. And that, trading allows me for that. And then hopefully next year, trading will allow me to not book the holidays, spend more time with family. Because, like, literally, like, my social life gets killed. Like, a lot of people don't understand that why photographers and DJs charge so much. But we give up our family time to be spending it with your family and making your day special. So it's like, and we're limited to how many weddings we could do in a year, too. Yeah, at least that's um at least you're 995, and that's something that I always talk about. Because like a lot of like people like will hate on Patrick, right? Like Patrick Wieland and Matt Trades by Matt, like what they're doing is they're making a very comfortable living, better living than most of us, doing YouTube, being content creators. Secondary, yes, they're traders, but they're not making their living off of trading. They're making their living off of content creation, subscriptions, services, sponsorships, whatever it might be. That's what they're making a living out of. And it's such a hard hustle to do it. It's not easy. Like people are like, oh, like they don't deserve that, or they shouldn't be making as much as they do because they suck at trading, quote unquote. But to me, they're hustlers. They're putting in the grind. It's a lot of work. I just go on and I stream live. I don't really do anything special. But like Patrick and Matt, they put a lot of effort into making videos, content, putting on a character. Like I think Patrick definitely puts on a character, like all the emotions and stuff. I think that's more like maybe he has something like that in his DNA, but I think it's also a little bit of a show. Like I don't know if you guys watch any gaming streamers, like Dr. Disrespect, for example, completely different person on stream than in real life. So I feel like Patrick might be um a little bit of doing that because he knows it brings attention. That's where the hating comes from, but people just need to relax, I think. You just unclick the data feed on Rhythmic. Let me show you. So unclick this. Make sure this is turned off, and you'll be able to do on Ninja. You could do on. It's just much easier to see your P&L. Like on Quant Tower, I can't see my net P&L, and I'm only. This is day number 2. I'm only $200 away from passing Top Step, so that's gonna be the goal here. You could pass it in one day. You just can't activate it in one day. You still gotta open and close a trade. Yeah, YouTube doesn't pay a lot. Like, trust me, YouTube would never be worth it unless you have millions of subscribers or views. YouTube alone is never going to be worth it. All the big YouTubers make big money from sponsorships and affiliates. That's just how it works. And it takes a long time to get there. I mean, you need to have a lot of subscribers to really make the kind of money that they do, and it's the grind that they put in, and eventually it pays off. I'm sure they're making great money from Top Step. Bum, bum, bum. I've passed evals in one day. But they're not like super strict, Andreas. I thought they weren't like super strict. But this volatility needs to either increase or something needs to happen. Otherwise, I'm not risking. I'm not going long here, and I'm not going short. So something's got to happen first. And I only got 40 minutes. 40 minutes before I gotta go. Have I traded with Elite Trader? Yes, I have. I've never got funded, and I do not plan on doing it again since they changed rules. But they don't have great sales. There's just no, I don't see one benefit of Elite Trader funding over Apex. So the only way for me to trade with Elite Trader funding is when I have 20 Apex accounts and I want to get to 30 accounts. So I want to get 3 with Top Step, 1 with Trade Day, 3 with Bull Unlocks, 3 with Elite Trader funding, 3 with Take Profit Trader. When is the 90% discount period for Apex? That's ended. Hopefully they'll bring it back for Black Friday, but we don't know. Right now, the discount code is active for 71% until end of the month. So hopefully they change that. Bull Knox will let you run 11 after a while. Yes, not at once. You have to be profitable with the first 3. And Bull Knox payouts are very tricky. Bull Knox payouts are so hard to get. I'm profitable with Bull Knox. I've lost my accounts, but I've made nice withdrawals with Bull Knox. So at least I'm green. My mission is to be green on all prop firms. If I tried an eval, or at least if I got funded with them, I want to get a payout eventually. Wow, guys, what a miss. What a miss. Could have just traded out of this so easily. But you see how it was so different from... I hope you guys noticed how different this was from averaging down. NASDAQ is going to range and rotate most of the time. Majority of the days, it's going to be up and down, up and down. It's never going to be straight up, never going to be straight down. I shouldn't say never. For the majority of the times, it's not going to be. There's going to be days like last Friday that's just going to be straight up or straight down, but it's very rare. And those days, you just got to make sure you're on the right side. If you're not, say goodbye to your accounts. My funded futures has the best rules around. What's hard about Bull Knox payouts? You have to trade for 10 days, and then you have to request a payout on Wednesday. I mean, on Friday. Then you get a payout on Wednesday, and then from Wednesday is when the next 10 days resets. So basically, you could get a payout only 3 times every 2 months or so. Why does only Apex offer 20 accounts? Because it's risky. You need to have a lot of signups to be able to cover someone that is profitable with 20 accounts. And the amount of volume that Apex does in accounts, it's crazy. Oh, tired. All right, guys. Let's see how the stocks are doing. I said I'm not going to check, but I'm curious to see. My stock strategy, technically, I am supposed to close my trades at the end of the trading day. I was up around $1,200 and it started to bounce. So I closed out for 746 profit. Let's see if I made a mistake. So I was short on these stocks. Wow. Great fucking call. Would have been stopped out here. This was whatever. Whatever. It's basically where I stopped out. Oh, wow. Great call. Wow. This would have sucked. Well, I beat the system yet again. So I'm up $4,000 on the month with stocks, which is not a lot, but it's still like, decent because it's passive income. Passive as in I'm not actively trading. So with stocks, I have a criteria of what stocks I'm gonna enter and how much I'm gonna enter with and where my stop is, all that, and I just execute. There's no thinking, there's no. That's why I say it's passive. I get in and things happen. I don't actually trade it. Like I don't think about like, oh, what is it doing? Like my friend does this strategy on his phone, not looking at a chart, nothing. So it's basically passive, but that's why the returns are not great. Freaking freezing in here. Oh. Oh man. I want to pass this Top Step account, guys. Let's do it. Do it. Can't get it. Can't get it. Very difficult to like see. Every trade I take goes against me instead of going in my favor, and that's like the opposite of the morning. Morning is like every time I get in, I get out. It's profit. Move on. Next trade. Today, the afternoon has been sloppy. Well, let's see. Maybe I'll just unlink all the accounts and just try to pass Top Step. I'm $200 away from passing Top Step. Make that 300 now since I'm down $100. Why would I long up here? Jesus Christ. Like just the wrong read on the market today. Returns. It depends how you look at it. I'm supposed to compound the account, and I haven't been compounding since September, I think, wasn't great, or October wasn't great. One of those months wasn't good. And I've been taking money out of the account instead of compounding it. Basically, how it's supposed to work is like if I make money, say, I should be increasing my risk tomorrow, and then if I lose money, say, I should be decreasing my risk tomorrow. And that's how you could get, you know, a big account by compounding. Yeah, just keep it on day 6 and you'll be fine. Indicator, I don't use any indicator. I just use percent gain and the volume. Like it has to have like a certain volume on the day. But I don't use an indicator. It's not a very complicated strategy. It's just a very risky strategy. Risky in a sense, like you gotta really be okay with losing big. Trade only micros. You're gonna blow micros. I mean, you're gonna blow a PA account with micros, just the way you're gonna blow it. No, not overbought. Just percentage. Yeah, big decision here for sure. Yeah, but you're gonna blow. If you think you blew an account because you traded minis and not micros, there's no difference. You're gonna size up on minis, on micros, just the way you would on minis, and you're gonna blow the account regardless. And to make big profits that you will be satisfied with, it's much more difficult on micros. There's nothing more. There's nothing less than micros. But with micros, you have to stay in trades longer. You have to look for bigger targets. Your odds are just decreasing there. I'm using bigger size to be in trades as little as possible. And if you're trading micros, what is your goal per day? Yeah, like if you want to scale in and scale out, that's different because you just want to break down the position, right? But there's no difference when it comes to blowing the account. When things go against you, there's no difference. I know that from personal experience and from friends' experience and then from stocks. trading small on stocks. Yeah, you trade small until things go south, and then you increase the size, and yeah, it's just. But again, these prop firms, the risk is super small, so you could be a little bit more risky. That's how I see it. I know not everyone sees it that way. Some people say you have to treat these accounts like it's real account. To me, it's not a real account. I see it as a $100 bet or whatever you want to call it. The risk is already done. I already paid for it. And now I'm going to use the leverage and my knowledge to try to execute trades that, if work, will be very profitable. And I know they can be because I've done it over and over again. Now, the fact that I'm trading a lot of accounts put me at a little bit more risk because I have to trade a lot more than I would with less accounts, if that makes sense. If I have 20 something accounts, to be able to trade all of them, I have to go through a lot of trades because I will not copy trade all the accounts at once. I'll never do that. But basically what I'm getting to is, since I have to trade a lot, eventually I will get caught. Eventually I will lose an account or two. But for me, JJ, there is no difference for the most part. And I'll show you. My most successful, I have a very high pass rate for evaluations. And it would be much higher if I took all of them more serious. There's too many times where I will gamble it or play news or whatever. But for example, look, these are not past evaluations. And they're on day 13, 12, 10, 9, and they're still not passed. This one I just passed today. So day 14 I passed it. But yeah, and I think I passed this one today. Day 13, day 14. But that's basically the big thing, is like I don't try to trade them much different. I copy trade into them. What I will do is I'll just trade them all day instead of like stopping trading them. Like with PA accounts, if I get to like $200, $300, $400 in a day, I stop trading it. On some evaluations, I'll continue trading that evaluation throughout the whole entire day. Do I have anything open right now? No. Grade is nothing. So that's good, but you're not going to learn how to trade that way. So then if you are blowing up your PA account, then that doesn't help. If you are someone that is consistent already and you just want to get funded, then that's different. But if you're trying to actually learn a strategy, trade your evals. You could trade them more risky, but you still have 7 days. So do the goal divided by 7 and try to obtain that. I passed trade day in one single attempt on the first attempt ever because it's 10 days with 30% consistency rule. That means I cannot make more than 30% in one single day. So I just focus on $200 a day and I got to target. Great is nothing. How many PA or how many withdrawals did you get with micros? I don't know how people trade micros, but it's doable. You can make, small profits. And again, small profits will add up. Yeah, you could trade micros. The only thing that is what I tell people is you trade the way you want to trade and stick to it. Do not let others influence you how you trade, and do not tell other people how to trade, because what you're doing works for you doesn't mean it's going to work for someone else. Doesn't mean it's the right way, doesn't mean it's the wrong way of trading, or it certainly doesn't mean it's the only way of trading. Let's do a poll. Wow, we had 209 votes and still almost 75% people were green. Very nice. Yeah, I mean, we've all done it, right? We've all done it. I mean, I did it this morning on CPI news, you know, but just got to be careful. Yeah, Black Beauty Machine, because you shouldn't be suggesting things. You should be just talking about what you do and then have the other person reflect on what you do. And then if they like what you do, they'll kind of take that approach and try to see what you're doing that way instead of you telling them what to do. But yeah, strong vibes media, that's true when it comes to that. But why are they doing PAs if they're good at trading? They shouldn't be losing them that often, you know? So it's like you have to look at the realistic stage of things. I'm still tempted to go long. I feel like it's not pulling back. Damn it. Ugh. Nutty is being talked about in almost every future Discords I'm in. See? He's doing something right if people are talking about him. Yep, should have won long. Just really want to pass that damn. Oh, wait. I gotta update the spreadsheet now, right? no. Nope, nope, nope. Oh, shit. Fuck. Spilled my drink all over my desk. Be right back. Ah, second time I've done that. Damn, that thing went all over. Make sure I don't get entered into any trades when I go over my keyboard. Oopsies. Yeah, I'm gonna have to wash this mouse pad. Yeah, that's what I meant, David. It's the second time I've done that. I didn't mean today. I meant like I did it recently. Wow. Missing out on this move. All right, guys, I got 15 minutes and I gotta run, gotta shower and go get a haircut. Gotta wash my hair really because it's a mess. I wanna see something. I gotta flip a contract on this account. I just had to flip. So it counts as a day. All right, we'll put them back. Don't get stuck in a 2-hour trade. I don't know. What do you guys think? Can I pass this top step? I need $120. Actually, what I'm gonna try to do. I'm just trying something. Yeah, but tomorrow I could be trading it live. Mhm. Oh man. No, I'm definitely not missing a haircut. I would trade remotely if I had to. You have to wait till end of the day, but I would have it tomorrow. Yeah, NKM futures, yep. They copy Top Step. They always copy whatever prop firm is having the best sale, they always just copy. Like they can't come up with anything on their own. Pretty funny. But it's a good deal if you like to pay the activation fee and not be able to withdraw your safety net. It's definitely an option. But for me, I don't think it's worth it. It's worth it if you have on top of Apex accounts or on the side. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Can you give me a thumbs up if you haven't yet? Unfortunately, I have to run, but tomorrow I'll be on stream pretty much the whole entire day. Depends which account you get, but it's $150 for the activation, and then depends which account you get. I don't know if there's any firm that you could get an account for under $100 besides, well, not under 100, but Apex is pretty much at 100 for a month, and that month could kind of dictate if you're profitable or not. So your upfront costs are minimal. So I did pass 3 more evaluations today, or 4, 3, I think. So I have to determine or decide whether I want to pay lifetime or 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 accounts. Yeah, one is still like $200 away. So I have to determine whether I want to pay Black Beauty Machine. That already exists. Tick Tick Trader does that already. I've done that. That was my first big payout this year. Yep, Tick Tick. You could get a 25K. You could get 10K, 25K, or 50K account without passing an evaluation, and you could pass. I mean, and you could get a withdrawal from the day number 1. Bullnox is $150 for the 50K account. Um, yeah, that didn't work. Yeah, Black Beauty, but it's not as easy as you would think. There's some rules, and you can't take out the safety net. So that means you still gotta kind of make an evaluation. But if you are a trader that could trade well, entire day, and you can make $4,000 with 2 contracts, then you could withdraw from day number 1. It's expensive though. And who was the one that said if you're close to passing and you take another trade, it could go south? Who's the one that said that? Because that's exactly what just happened. Yeah, Opportunity Man said that. Yeah, this is tanking, and I took full size, trying to get a couple ticks. That's why I only did it on Top Step and not the other accounts. I feel like I'm cursed with Top Step. Yeah, I'm cursed with Top Step, guys. I felt like I was cursed with Bull Knocks for a while, and then eventually I got my payouts. So I'm determined. My selfie mirror, I'm doing good. Solid day overall. and I gotta go, so I'm stuck. But I'm just gonna let this trade out, I guess. We'll see. If it doesn't work out, we'll have to make the profit tomorrow. Yeah, it's not gonna work out. Or maybe. Maybe. Nope. No, that was a false alarm, guys. All right. Wrong. Just not reading the market right at all today. No, Black Beauty. This is full size. This is no way to get out of it unless it bounces. No, my selfie mirror. There is no way to really do that. Unless, actually, there is. You would have to do. I think you have to do Top Step with Rhythmic, and then you would have to do Apex with Tradeovate, and then log in to Ninja. Yeah, I think that's the way you do it. So it depends which accounts you have. But I think if you do Rhythmic with Top Step and then Tradeovate with Apex, you'll be able to do that. Damn, I gotta go. 145. What a shame. Oh, that was just CPI news. That happens every time. Every time there's CPI, that's the kind of move that happens. Up or down. CPI news is probably the most volatile news there is. It beats FOMC by a mile. Did I end my day in the green? You could see my PNL on the left side of the screen. The trade diamond now is Top Step eval. That it's whatever. Even if I lose it, it's fine. I was just close to passing it. But now it's a Top Step curse. I just can't get funded with Top Step because every time I try to pass it in 2 days, it just always hurts at the last minute. And if I just stuck to trading it my way, I probably would have been fine. But I went full size right away without like a setup, just trying to go for a couple ticks. So that's what happens when you don't actually trade a system. You just try to go for a quick scalp for 3 ticks, 3 contracts. Because I was like $100 away, so I wanted to do that 3 times. But I really need to go shower, at least wash my hair. I want to get out of this one contract, and then I'm gonna. If I get filled here. Just one more push. Okay, we're break even now. Trading is an addiction. Yeah, I guess you have to be passionate about it. That's for sure. Gambling is an addiction. I took this trade on Top Step only and not on my Apex accounts for a reason. Come on. You know you want to. So close. I was $60 away from passing. Come on. Just push it. Really? Only because I don't have time. Yes, maybe. Alright. We're funded with Top Step. Mission accomplished. Alright, guys. That's gonna do it for me. See you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm gonna be on all day. I'm gonna be on all day. Probably from 10 a.m. to like 3 p.m. Eastern time, market time. Top tick sale right there, and it's coming back. I don't really care, guys. It's just I'm focused on my Apex accounts. That's where my focus is, and that's where I really. But thank you for the congrats. But again, Apex is where the money's at for me, at least. 20 accounts. We're 14 accounts starting tomorrow. So starting tomorrow, there will be 14 accounts, and got 6 more to go. Hopefully, we'll pass some more tomorrow, and go from there. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. A lot of support today. We'll do a giveaway tomorrow on stream. We'll do a giveaway of like $20 or something. And today, I didn't use the same software. I think the quality of the stream is a lot better on OBS than the other software. So I got to figure that out. But for now, I got to run. Got a haircut in 25 minutes. And yeah. Anyway, guys, love you so much. Peace out. Hit that subscribe, hit that like, and I'll catch you guys on the next stream. All right. Much love.